Hey, join me today. I've got the best deal going. I got a beginner seed pack new. This is an unbelievable deal. You won't find a better deal than anywhere. Join me. I want to show you right now the beginner package deal. Great stocking stuffer, great gift for the new gardener. Bubba's putting out his best foot forward to give you the absolute bottom economy price for the world's best genetics here. You won't find a better deal. Check this out. Right, here's a deal that you can really sink your teeth into. WorldwideGiantGrowers.com website. You will get 3-page germination tips to help you new growers germinate your seeds. All right, you don't want to just stick them in a window. That's not the way to go. You want the tips. You can read about it in the tips. But here's what you'll get: the seeds, man. The seed, this is Bubba's best deal going. You'll get the 1005 Clements, 2 seeds. This is the 2560 Maverick times the Wolf combination. That's the best genetics in the world. The grand champion growers, world record growers, same exact genetics. You'll also get the 974 Ruthrup, beautiful orange pumpkin. All right, grown by Derek's mother. This is a 1501 Vanderwellen times South. This is where all these genetics came from. Grew the 1885, that grew the world record. So you're gonna have the same genetics as the champions, but on a smaller scale, a more affordable scale. The 1377 Laginus is a 2003 Kaisemore. That's how he pronounces his name. It's not Kissamore, it's Kaisemore. All right, 2 seeds from his 2003 was the cross that grew the 1377 Laginus. Allen's not a so serious grower. 2 Michigan record field pumpkins, believe it or not, yes. Tom was nice enough to gift me with these seeds. We'd like to see them grown. So hey, you can grow a Michigan record state field pumpkin, 2 seeds. Thank you, Tom. And then these also, Smoky Mountain sunflowers, gifted to me by Chris Kent. I'm going to share them with you. You'll get this whole package. 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? Bubba, Big Bubba. And the mountain sunflowers tops that off. So isn't that great? There's your package of seeds, the beginner seed package. All right, and free shipping in the United States. If you want these in Canada or Europe, you send me $20 additional on PayPal, and I will ship these to Canada and Europe. All right, contact me at mark@worldwidegiantgrowers.com, and we can set up a payment on PayPal. It just makes it much easier for me to ship. Stamps.com and PayPal shipping. A lot of people are saying they're paying $5 for shipping. I'm only paying $3.50. It's cheaper than the post office to use Stamps.com. Germination testing is complete. These are the 1575 Waltons. Testing, we always test our seeds. Get your seeds. WorldwideGiantGrowers.com. Keep it a secret, but go tell a friend. We're selling champion seeds, big orange monsters, and more.